Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share some amazing news from Amazon, which is an amazing sale coming up on Amazon. It's their Prime Day sale, which is happening on 15th to 16th of July, where you will be getting up to 80% off on your favorite brands from fashion and beauty, which we all love to hoard. So yes, which we all love, and I'm going to show you a glimpse of my haul, which you can take notes from and purchase any of these items. Yes, this will be a try-on fashion haul plus some beauty items that I got. Okay, so let's start with some beauty products that I got. I got one skincare and two makeup products from the sale. So first one is the Happier Sundays Stick Sunscreen SPF 50 PA+++. So I've been trying to get my hands on something that's easy to apply and reapply like easily on the go. Quantity is just 13 grams, which is like, okay, that's pricey for this amount of product for PA+++. I would still go with better protection over ease of use, but reapplication wise, yes, this is so easy. I just applied it and it gives like a very satin non-sticky finish. You can also use it before makeup, and I have not used it after makeup, so that is something I have to try. And this is like the finish you can see on my face. So with barely any makeup on, this is how my face looks with just this sunscreen, and I have kept my face bare for some reason. I am going to try these two products also from Amazon. First one is the Peri Pera Ink Airy Velvet 21. It's in, I think, some peachy shade that I got. It's called Fluffy Peach. So the shade is like more pink than peach. It is very shiny kind of texture. It's more pigmented than I thought. So also it's easy to blend, just blending like a cloud, and like so like bouncy finish. I don't know how to explain it. And yes, the movability of the product is difficult. Yes, once it sticks on some part, it is not moving as such, gliding when I spread it. So I think it's a good stay wise, good tint. So it will stick to that part you have applied it on, and so it will stick to the part you have applied it on: lips, cheeks, eyes, and it won't really move throughout. And I think this is the pigment on my finger, and yes, it's not moving from here as well. Like, look at that. If I'm trying to spread it elsewhere, it's not happening. It does not move elsewhere, so it's not the perfect cheek product. So what you can do is just apply a little bit on the hands and just blend it and just tap tap tap, like apply it barely there kind of on the cheeks. Next is an eye product. I got some eyeliner. I love colored liners, and I just wanted to get some green color. Again, it's unopened, sealed, and waiting for me to try. It is 3 ml and it is called the shade Clover Green Eye Pop Style Liner. So I have like mixed feelings about this one. Just for the texture, I don't know if it's gonna be that long lasting. It says it's 8-hour wear. It can be, because I feel it's not moving from the back of the hand, but a streaky finish in the end makes me feel like mixed. But might be I'll get used to this texture, because I'm like more into that liquid to dry finish than this creamy liquidy thick liquidy finish. So the first kurti I got is from Anarwa. It's a yellow kurti. It's a Dori kurti. It's a short one, so it's like you have drawstrings on the side. You can just tighten it up. It is the perfect summer dress. On the back it is a bit loose, on the front it is tight and fit, perfect fit. I love the sleeves short and a little puffy. I love that the fabric has some texture going on throughout the dress, and it has a slit that's not too high, which is perfect, comfortable. Also, I got one matching pair of heels with this, which is, I think, making the entire dress look so flattering, and the outfit, oh, like so good. I just need a matching handbag with this and I'm good to go. This is the first one. This is like a more dry fit kind of fabric. You can wear it on top of your, as a gym cover up. I wore it recently and I add the photo. The other one is on the fit side and it's not dry fit, so I think I can carry on launch, casual days, at home, comfy fit, and also I can style it for outings with denims, shorts. So yeah, this was my haul from the Amazon Prime Day sale. You can grab more items, you can create your wish list, get your cart ready for the sale so you can save up to 80% off on your favorite brands from fashion and beauty. So yes, I hope you liked the haul. If you liked anything, you can check the description box and the links will be there. You can click on it, and also you can check out my Amazon storefront account for past sales and collections that I have tried, shown you and actually loved, from beauty, fashion, makeup, etc. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.